Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction. Last week I did a video about this Mother's ceramic spray and rinse touchless quick coat. Basically, after you wash the car and the car is wet, you spray this on a wet panel, you power rinse it off, and yay, you've got a ceramic sealant on the car. Makes the paint all hydrophobic. Had a lot of guys, most of these guys probably still live in the basement of their parents' homes, telling me this is no good. Well, we're going to do an update, but it's on the other side of the car. Before we get there, I want to talk about something else. Folks, a lot of people like these products. Pros like them. DIY individuals like them. There's a company called Gyeon. They make a product called Gyeon Wet Coat. After you've washed the car and it's still wet, you spray that Gyeon Wet Coat on there and you power rinse it off. And yay, you've got a nice hydrophobic barrier. Very, very popular product. Folks, right under our nose is a blessing. It's a gift that's just sitting at O'Reilly's and many of the parts stores. I'm going to show it to you. Here it is. It's Rust-oleum Wipe New Blast Ceramic Coating. Folks, look at that nozzle on the top of it. You know how they want you to use this? They want you to hook up a garden hose to it and then blast it all over the car after you wash it. Let it sit on the car for a couple minutes. Don't let it dry. Power rinse it off, and you've got yourself a nice ceramic sealant on the paint. Makes the paint hydrophobic. Folks, when I saw this, I said, oh no, we're not playing that game. I had to get a load of this. I had to get one of these things, channel locks, pair of pliers, and I had to take the top off this. Why would I do that? Well, I don't want to use it through the garden hose. That's wasting product. I also know that if they want us to use it through a garden hose, this is a concentrate. So I ripped this sucker off. You got to take a pair of pliers. It's got a special neck on it that's very difficult to get off. And then guess what I did? I put it in my own spray bottle. Now I can use it straight. I don't have to use it through the garden hose, but I even want to go one step further. Folks, on this car here, there's really no protection. It's been polished a couple of months ago. It's been clayed. It's silky smooth. It's got no type of waxes or sealant on it. And I want to show you what I did. I bought one of these suckers, and I want to talk about this soon. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Nubaru. It's a cordless foaming sprayer. No more pumping it. Did you guys know I single-handedly brought Merrilex to the United States? I flew to Poland, met that company, and got their sprayers here for the first time. Pretty cool story, right? Well, I tell you what, I wish they had something like this that was battery operated. What I did, folks, is I put 2 ounces of that Rust-oleum product in here, and then I filled it up with 35 ounces of water. So that's 2 ounces to 33 ounces of distilled water. Why did I do that? I don't know. The detailing gods entered my brain and said, do it there first and see how it works. I'm going to show you how this works. And instead of using it with a trigger sprayer, straight like we would with Gyeon Wet Coat, I'm going to dilute it a little bit in this foaming sprayer, cordless, and see what happens. So let me get the surface wet. Hang tight with me, folks. I know this is always the worst part of the video, right? Waiting for me to move, and I got stuff in the way here. But I'm going to get this wet. Again, this paint is clean, but it's flat. It's just water sitting there. I got something on the front of that fender. I must have been testing something. But this is flat. But there we go. Just like if I had washed it, rinsed it off, and it's slightly wet, I'm going to take this pump sprayer. Watch this. How about I turn this on? It may look like I'm using a lot of product, but I'm not. I want to get it all over there, that juicy goodness. Right now, at O'Reilly's, hold on a second, I'll explain it. At O'Reilly's, this stuff is $16.99 for 24 ounces of fluid, folks. So putting 2 ounces in that container only cost me what? It's 70 cents per ounce, so it's $1.40. I mixed it with distilled water. It's sitting there. It's getting ready to rinse off. I don't want it to dry, but I want to let it sit there for a couple minutes. If you buy it through their website, it's $14.99, so that gets you down to 60 cents an ounce. If you go to Target, it's $9.99, and you get it shipped to your local Target, and maybe they send it to your home at $9.99. It's 40 cents an ounce. Holy Mary, Mother of God, you've just made yourself Gyeon Wet Coat, but this is dilutable. You can use it straight if you want on wheels, let it sit for a couple minutes, spray it off. Put it in your favorite sprayer, dilute it, like that little new brew, which I'm gonna make a video about in the future. But now I've got that on there, sitting there, kind of soaking and cross-linking on the surface. I don't want it to dry. I'm gonna go in and rinse it off. Let's see how hydrophobic it is. That's pretty impressive, folks. Hang tight, I'm gonna get you in close. But I just made myself Gyeon Wet Coat, but with Rust-oleum, wipe new, this ceramic blast. I can dilute it. I can only put 2 ounces. I can put 2 ounces in a foam cannon, 2 ounces in that little hand foamer, cordless. I can use it straight for wheels, $16.99 for 24 ounces, and we'll get a lot further with it because we can dilute it, and it still works. Let me get closer and I'll hit it with water. Hold on, folks, here we go. Very nice. And what's going to happen, folks, is that as it cures, it's going to get more and more hydrophobic. Now I want to do an update on mothers. Hang tight with me as we walk around this car, because I only put mothers on one side, one panel, and I put it on this passenger door. You ready? For all you guys out there saying, Scott, this stuff doesn't work, well, get a load of this. This is just letting it cure after what, 5-6 days? You can see that panel's flat. Come over here. Yeah, that's nice and hydrophobic. This side should be a little flat, There you go, folks. There's mothers. Nothing wrong with these products on a retail level, meaning you can walk into a store and buy it. Nothing at all. And I tell you what, I've used this for a little while now. That paint tomorrow is going to be twice as hydrophobic. It's going to be very slick to the touch. Let's look at this bottle again. $16.99 at O'Reilly's for 24 ounces. It's Rust-oleum, wipe new, blast ceramic coating. Do not use it through a hose. Take a pair of pliers, get that nozzle off and put it in your own sprayer. Start diluting it in your foam cannon or a little pump sprayer or the cordless sprayer like I did. You can use it straight in your own sprayer and trigger and bottle and use it on wheels. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. Don't let it dry. Rinse it off. You now just made your own Gyeon Wet Coat. But guess what, folks? You can dilute it. Love you so much. Hope that helps you out.